at the car show now for the birthday boy.
What's my name?
Riley.
Yo, sup?
Well, no, your name is what do you want your name to be?
RJ.
RJ.
Yeah.
RJ11. Your name will be RJ11. Well, we're at the car show. Yes, we're at the car show. And Mr. Creepy Face over here is...
Not being pushed by a kid.
Yes. There's so many special guests. Special guests, my friend and me. Precious is a special guest. Sedana is a special guest, even though she's my little sister.
Come on, try to push me.
Come on, Riley, you've been here before. Come on, Riley.
Alright. Exactly.
Car show. I want to get in one of those. Wait, stand next to the sign, Riley. Really? Stand next to the... Wait, I'm about to make y'all look Minecraftish. You look like a Minecraft pixel.
He does?
Yeah, y'all all look like Minecraft.
Let me see.
Oh, y'all look so funny. Y'all look like Minecraft people. Look.
Wait, point it at me.
It doesn't see your smile on Minecraft. I'm not taking a picture. Then I'll have to end the video. Oh, Riley, run super fast. I can make you run super fast.
Y'all go sit right there.
Oh, snap.
Alright, let me do you. Let me do you.
Ready?
Set.
Go. It's on fast mode. Try to put it on fast mode. Ready? Now look at me.
Dang, you blazing fast. Now try me.
Come on.
Try my.
Okay, Mr. Minecraft.
Come on.
Mom, can you take my hat, please? Okay, go into the elevator. Oh, let's go. Mr. Minecraft man. Wait, let me do a trick that I know. Do a trick. Well, guys, we'll be back when we're actually in the car show. Look at the way the cat dances.
Keep dancing. Dance. Break down. Break it down. Break down. Break it 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 down. There's different levels. Easy. Turn down what?
Wait a minute. I got it. Are you gonna post it on YouTube?
Yep. Look at that.
You look so fast.
Dance. Do your dance. Really? He's not dancing. That guy is walking so creepy though. Look at him.
Instead of him gonna bite me, I'm trying to knock him out.
I know him. But he walks so scary. He looks so scary. Look how he walks.
Stop that.
Oh my gosh. That guy's creepy.
Go ahead, Aiden. SyQuan.
You wanna go?
SyQuan.
Yeah.
Look.
So creepy the way he walks.
Look. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all see that little kid? I can't believe he made it all the way to the top. He's looking down. He's getting scared. Look how far it is. He's the new Batman. He's the next Robin. That kid's gonna be, if he makes it all the way up, he'll be the next Nightwing. Because he looks more like a Nightwing. He does not look like more like a Batman anymore.
No, he needs to be like. No, he's first he's Robin, then he's all that.
Isn't your favorite Nightwing?
Yeah.
Yeah, they really improved the music.
And they did have music last time, remember?
Oh. Ooh. See if that kid can make it. A baby's doing it. Yes, you see that little baby? Oh, not this song.
Yeah, that's
I like the tune to it. I like the chorus. Oh, I can rap. I don't have a right beat to it.